Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy, holla at your Miles the Magician. Back at it like I'm at it. Videotaping.
Is this still? So I took out this.
Well, good. You going on YouTube then? Yep. This is the refrigerator. We got to take out stuff, put stuff in. Coleslaw could go because I'm not
Is it
eating.
still good?
Yeah, it's still good. It's still good.
Oh, well.
You know, we find something to eat it with. But
Is the turkey still good? Probably,
yeah,
huh?
yeah, we just
I don't know what that's.
You made it. You should know what it is.
I didn't make it. That's the meat from the greens.
Let me see. Oh, good. Yeah.
That's your
Even
food,
better.
not mine.
The meat from the greens. I ain't even. Yeah. Now we're gonna eat that good. Oh, where did that donut come from? Oh, that dropped. That dropped on the ground right there. Yeah.
Probably just ate bird dookie.
Oh.
Please, you guys. Weak.
I have a fresh one.
You guys are weak.
Oh. Ah. Like, nah. Ah.
Stop.
Nah. If I did that, you know what she'd do? She'd be like, yeah. Yeah. She does that, Miles. Say, I want to eat some tuna or something. What does she do? Go, yeah. Yeah. She doesn't like
Put this stuff away.
She don't like anything healthy,
Come
but
on.
she
You're
smashed.
sitting here recording. Look, just
We got a video to shoot, so we didn't shoot all day.
put your stuff up there.
Well, let me see.
Oh, this
Kitchen's a mess.
on top 'cause it's not in the refrigerator.
Kitchen's a mess. You know, if you got one thing out of order in the house, the kitchen's a mess. She don't want me to shoot nothing for you YouTubers. Don't worry, y'all gonna get y'all a video tonight. Because I haven't gave y'all a video in 2-3 days. Y'all getting one tonight. Alright, there you go.
Over here.
Woo!
Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy, holla at your Miles the Magician. Miles, what happened today?
Well, today I wrestled.
Mm-hmm.
I took second,
Mm-hmm.
and the guy lost two.
Mm-hmm.
He wrestled another guy, and if the guy he wrestled just got one, I would took first.
Mm-hmm.
But
What
he
happened?
just needed to believe.
But he didn't, right?
Yeah. And the funny part is,
Tell me about the funny part.
he thought he lost. See, he cried and stuff. But when the coach said you're not losing, he said,
Crazy. You gotta achieve to believe. You achieve greatness when you believe. Once Miles start believing that he's great, he's gonna be great. You know what I mean? Like
Yep,
you
and
got
it's
all.
not gonna matter who's there. Your dad's there, your mom's there, I'm there.
Exactly.
It's not gonna matter who's watching. As long as you
Mm-hmm.
believe, you're gonna be in the zone, and you're just gonna be like.
Uh-huh. See, it took him a match to get into the zone, but once he got into the zone, he was there.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? We just gotta get you coming out in the zone. That's all. We're gonna figure this out.
I did a butcher too.
And what is a butcher? Explain to them at home.
Well,
My YouTubers.
well, I need another person. Adana,
Uh-huh.
can you come over here?
Hold on.
Well, you need to cook
I gotta
butcher.
make some food for you. Right?
She wants the Chinese food. That's what that means what she said.
No.
You want the Chinese food,
Oh,
don't
look
you?
at you. Now you're gonna blame it on me? You're just like your dad.
You wanted the Chinese food, didn't
You're
you?
just like your dad. Yes.
Wowzers. You at home, this is what the looks like. Give it a look.
I don't.
That is the look.
What you talking about, Adana?
You and your dad have the exact
What you talking about,
same
Nana?
look.
What's he talking about? Alright, this is gonna be our course. We're gonna eat. We got a modified wok/skillet. The lighting sucks in here, so you can't
I
see nothing. It's
know.
like walking in the dark. But we're used to it. Yeah.
We're not used to it.
Lottie toddy, whoop that body.
Did I get permission to be on camera?
Sponsored by Sponsored by a can of refried beans.
Oh my God! All the
sponsored
Mexicans are
by-
gonna get mad at me if I'm getting a can of refried beans
Mm-hmm.
instead of the frijoles.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Also-
the stove.
Also sponsored by Mango Peach Salsa. And, which is a competitor, Chunky Salsa. And for our breakfast meal, we're gonna have maple sugar oatmeal, 10 packets. What is too bad? What is bad for us?
Too much salt is bad for you. Can you guys go over there? Look at you guys are just following me around. If you're gonna follow me around, help.
Lottie toddy, work that body, knock that body, lottie toddy, work that body, lottie toddy, work that body. It's on you, Miles.
What?
Lottie toddy, work that body. There you go.
Lottie Toddy, work that body.
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 Hey, this is something about Aldi's pickup. Aldi's pickup. We didn't get that there, but we got this. We got these. I say healthy, she gets this. She gets pretzel with peanut butter.
I think that's. Oh, you know what? I didn't put these on here. I need to. Yeah, you're right. I gotta take that out.
Look at that.
Look at Miles' laugh. Look at Miles.
Look at her, guys.
Clean this kitchen. Oh my God. Get me off the camera.
Look at that.
Come on.
Put the blur her face out. Okay, putting the boxes up top now.
In an organized fashion.
In organized fashion, guys. That's tuna right there. See how long it takes me with one hand and to film it with the other. Lottie toddy, work that body. Oh, that's organized. Yep, yep.
Oh my. No, put those down here so I can reach them.
What are you going down there so they know that what you like to eat? What is it? Is it the snacks?
Miles likes those. You need them
Right
to
here?
lower.
The Miles never. Oh, Miles needs these lower?
No, those.
No, he says that because she wants them. I don't like them.
Mm-hmm. You look how many she done bought for Miles. Exactly. They go here
Miles likes those.
so she could get to them.
Miles likes those.
She'll
Yeah.
eat Mommy 5 in a day, quick.
Mm-hmm.
No. Yeah.
I'm not late.
What do you need? This is so my people know what I'm doing. What do I gotta do? She already ate 6 donuts. Went right to it.
She's not.
She went. She went.
And on camera.
She went right to the. Look at her. Hey, we're trying to shoot something here. We're trying to let our YouTubers know what you do.
No.
You know what I mean? We gotta get them get. If it takes a boob shot for me to get 100,000 subscribers, then that's what gotta happen. Thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel. Miles, let's come sign off. Say it again.
I'm not trying to be on your video.
Good. Hotty toddy, work that body. Who put it on last time?
Oh my gosh. Just stop.
She don't want me to live my life through YouTube.
Look it.
I didn't put that there. Because I know that that's where they was at. For the next time you want to eat my butter pecan. For y'all that don't know, I do ice cream, and we were looking for my scoops. And true story is, I was told she doesn't like butter pecan, but she swallowed it. Like, she swallowed a whole 2.5 gallons of ice cream like she liked it or something. Facts! Hey, if anybody want to know how to make General Tso chicken, this is how we do it at the Nerd Star house.
Oh my gosh.
What? It's a fact! Did we not put up make a hey, wait, you can say, oh my gosh, nobody's doing this. Nobody is doing this, son.
You got a whole bunch of stuff already here.
Yes. Obviously, that's what I'm going to be eating, so I'm trying to have enough so I don't run through it. and be done through it when I run through it, son.
Look at all these snacks.
What? Here, what? You better not put none. What is you? Oh, good. Can you put some grease in the bottom of this thing? Oh yeah, it's gonna be done real quick. Huh?
The rice.
Yes. You want me to not? Yeah, let's turn it off then. Miles, get the rice! Miles! Hi! Get the rice! Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob, boy. Holla at your who?
Miles J.L.
Holla at your Miles J.L. if you can tell. We gotta do when I say like, comment, subscribe. And if it's your first time tuning in, thanks for tuning in. We salute you. Till next time. And let's show them show them what a what's that, a fist bump sandwich look like. So we go right here. Holla at your boy. Holla at your Rob Roy.
Holla at your Miles J.L.
If you can tell, holla at your Miles J.L.